to take a trip, slow ride when I'm off the shit. Buckle in, kid, lullaby, soothing you with rich vocals, angelic.
Good morning, YouTube. This morning we're going to be installing a Mishimoto oil catch can into the G35. Shortly, I'm going to turn around. I'm going to show you the tools that you might need in order to make this installation possible. It's super simple, super easy. All right, so hang tight and let's get hot. So, a Mishimoto penguin, I guess, for cooling. So we get that. Here's your guide to performance and cooling. So all the products that Mishimoto has available. And then I guess this is a active warranty. So here is the oil catch can. This is a really nice oil catch can. You can see that it has for the outlet and the inlet. It's marked in and out. There's the top and there's the drain plug at the bottom. Inside of the can, it's baffled. And you have your copper filter, which is pretty neat. Alright, super simple, right? Here are our aluminum catch can fittings in black. So we're going to go ahead and install these now. Exactly the same. So we'll go ahead and slide these. These do not need Teflon tape. They come with a grommet right here, as you can see. What you might want to do after we get it in there is cinch it down with the wrench. And I'll tell you shortly which one we will need. Good. Go ahead and alright, so that is the idea with catch can. So, how does this work? Well, we would need an Allen key. We loosen up these screws at the top. Those 3 screws get tightened, retightened back down onto the catch can itself once we put the bracket in place. Alright, one last thing that came with this kit is the hoses. The hoses right here. There they go. They go directly into the PCV valve. This goes directly into the PCV valve, and then this one goes from your intake manifold to the catch can itself. And then here your brackets is tying them down to clamp the hoses shut. So we're going to take all this plus the can itself. Tools you're going to need. So if you have alignment pliers sitting around, you can use that, or you could just simply have use a long needle nose or pliers or long nose pliers. Either one will work. And then you're going to need in my case, a number 10 ratchet. So that's all I need. We're going to head over to the car. All right, so we're in the under the hood, and right here is our power steering fluid reservoir. What we're going to do is take these bolts off. There's 3 of them. We're going to take this bracket off, and then we're going to replace it with this bracket. The power steering reservoir is going to slide right into this bracket. 10. That boy off. Take this bracket off. Just like that. We're going to remove these grommets. There's 3 of them. Just like so. Install them in our new bracket. And start our screws. Bolts are in place. Take the power steering reservoir. Slide this bad boy right. Now power steering reservoir is in place. The next step is to get our Allen key. Now I don't want to tighten this down all the way now. I'm going to get my hoses in place first, and then I'll proceed to tighten them down. Go ahead and take off the hose of my PCV valve. That clamp off. That should slide right off. Remove this clamp. Gun. Later on, I'm going to go through and replace this entire portion of my PCV valve with the AN fitting to give it a better look. But for right now, I'm going to use what Mishimoto sent us. So we're going to go ahead and put our tube from Mishimoto into the in portion of our catch can. That's in nice and secure. Now, slide it in my manifold. You don't want to over tight it because you don't want to cut your tube. It's going to be assed out. Again, these tubes are going to get replaced by AN tubes, 8N tubes later on, the braided metal ones, just for, you know, longer durability. I'm probably going to switch out a lot of the tubes in here with those 8N tubes, but for right now, this is what I got. But I will keep you guys posted until the next one. So that'll wrap up this video for my Mishimoto oil catch can. The next video that I'm going to get ready to do, as soon as I get the parts in, we'll knock it out. It's probably going to be the underdrive pulleys. Now, I have the underdrive pulleys have been ordered from or by Z1 Motorsport. They should be here in a couple weeks, maybe hopefully this week, and we can knock it out this weekend, and then I'll show you guys how to properly install those onto your G35 or 350Z or whatever it may be. It's simple, basic tools, hand tools to get you through it, and then you can reap the benefits afterwards, all right? But again, just keep in mind that none of these things just work and give you what you expect off the rip. You need to go get a tune, all right? If you have a 350Z or a G35, UpRev is the tune that is recommended for you to get your car tuned. There may be other ones out there, but I've seen the best results with the UpRev tune. All right, so until next time, anybody has any questions, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit me up in the comments. What would you like to see next? Although I kind of have plans for what's next, but what would you like to see next? And help me out with this build. All right. And again, this is just another G.
Nose down, stepping off the cliff, gotta take a trip. Slow ride when I'm off the shit. Buckle in, kid, lullaby, soothing you with rips. Vocals angelic. Now is the end, live your story before you tell it. She and I